I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today we're installing the Wappa Baby door handle protectors. So these are great if your kid likes to open doors and you have these sort of, long-handled doorknobs. So what we're going to do here is actually take off one of these Wappa Baby handles. You can see on the back here it's got 3M VHB. This is a very strong bonding adhesive tape, and we've got the front piece here. So we're just going to peel off that VHB backing, and that's going to give us this adhesive surface, and then we're going to position this around the handle. You want to make sure it sort of traps the handle in there, and then when you're ready, just press it really hard into the wall there. And that VHB is very strong. It'll hold right on. You can see this little lever down here, when you raise it up, it's going to kind of keep that handle locked in place like this. And that way, when your baby comes to try to open it, they won't be able to. But when you're ready to access it, you just press the buttons on both sides. You have to press it on two sides. You can see this isn't going anywhere now. If I press it on two sides here, I can lower this down, and then you can open and close the door as normal. Make sure to lower that little lever all the way down. Otherwise, it can kind of bang into the door handle and trap it there. So very simple. Takes about 30 seconds to set up, and I find these work great.